Let's learn to draw using basic shapes. So open your Art Maestro art and activity books.
Open page 19. Bird. First, draw a circle for the head, then draw a big oval like this one to make the body. Draw a beak and connect the circle and oval shape. Draw feathers and a tail behind it. Let's practice by drawing over the dotted lines. Now, let's color the bird. Start with light colors like yellow, and then shade as shown with orange crayon. And use bright blue and green color for the feathers. Let's click a picture.